In this video, I'm going to be going over how to share the client portal in Lawmatics with leads and your existing clients. So the first thing you're going to do is navigate to the Matter profile page. Then you'll click on the handshake button in this upper bar where it says Portal Options. You'll be able to see all of the contacts that are related to this matter. So you'll be able to see the matter relationship type and their name in here, as well as if they have access to the portal or not. So I can come in here to give the client access to the portal. If I want, I can also give access to other people as well. Once you click Save, Lawmatics is going to send the client this standard email template inviting them to access the client portal. One thing to note is that the client will be able to see the case title. So to remind you, the case title is this name right here in Lawmatics. So make sure to give a case title before sharing the client portal. On this email, they'll have the option to accept that invitation, and this will ask them to set up a password, and the username is going to be their email address. After that, they can use this link here to access their portal at any time. Once the client sets up access to the portal and logs in, this is the page that they'll be taken to. So up at the top, they'll see the case title, and in this dashboard, they'll be able to see any task, files, forms, documents that are needed from them, as well as any upcoming events. I want to show this quick tab here with firm information. So the client will be able to see your firm name, phone number, and address here, and they'll be able to see anyone who's been assigned to that matter. So they'll be able to see the lead attorney, and that is the only one that will have the position label. The rest will the names will appear alone. They'll also be able to see anyone who's on the assigned staff. So as you can see here, we have all of that contact information, and if they have a picture, that will appear here as well. They'll be able to, in the messages section, start a conversation with any recipient or any person assigned from your firm. So they could come in here and send a message directly to Joey, and he would receive that notification. Conversations with different people will appear in these different windows. In Lawmatics, you'll be able to view the portal messages sent by clients from the portal messages page, which is found underneath the CRM tab. I recommend turning on your notifications for portal messages from clients in the notification settings. Clients will receive this standard notification from Lawmatics anytime you send them a message through the client portal. You'll be able to see when the client portal has been shared on a matter by this purple handshake over here. If you hover over it, you'll see that this client has portal access. That handshake will appear next to the matter relationship names if they get access to the portal as well. You can also view the status of any invitations that you've sent out by clicking the handshake button up here and viewing this status column. So as we can see, Michael has accepted the invitation, and that means that he set up his password and has accessed the portal. I can come in here and send out that request to Pam, and now you can see that Pam has portal access. And if we look at the status, it will tell us that the invitation has been sent. Let's take a look at how we can assign tasks to clients in the client portal. So I am on the Matter profile page right now underneath the Task tab. I want to assign this task here to complete the intake form to Michael. So what I'll do is on this Actions column, I'll click the pen icon to edit this task. Then I want to select the client from this assignee list. Only clients that have access or matter relationships that do, you'll be able to check. If they don't, they'll be grayed out. Once I click Save Task, the client will be able to see this in the client portal. After you've assigned the task to the client, this is what it will look like on their end in the client portal. Whenever they log into their dashboard, they'll see this task here, and they can click on it to complete it. You can also share files with the client in the client portal. So I'm on the Matter profile page on the Files tab. So I'll be able to see all of the files for this matter, and if I wanted to come in and share this with the client in the portal, what I'll do is I'm going to click Share with Portal, and then you'll be able to see all of the contacts that have access to the portal to select. If you only want certain contacts to be able to view this document, just unselect any of the contacts that you don't and click Save. Once you've saved, you'll see that this document has been shared in the portal because the purple handshake will appear next to the document name. The client will now be able to see that file underneath the Files section of the client portal. You can also share forms and documents through the client portal as well. Click on Form Actions, Share Form. Then type in the name of the form that you want to share, and then click Share with Portal Contacts. Next, select the clients or the contacts that you want to share with, and click Share Form. Now, the client will be able to see that form in their client portal. As you can see, the client now has access and can see this personal injury intake form in their client portal. If they click on that form button, it will take them to fill out the form. To send a booking request through the portal, click Form Actions, Share Booking. Find the booking form that you want to share with the client. Then click Share with Portal Contacts. Finally, select the contacts you want to share it with and click Share Form. The client will now be able to see that booking form in the Forms section of the portal. If we look here, they can see both of those forms here as well.